Morning all, I am Shruti Bora, student of physiotherapy from Marwadi University. Today I will explain the musculoskeletal hazard in office worker. So musculoskeletal hazard are workplace condition that affects your bone, tendon, joint, ligaments, etc. Office workers are highly prone to develop this musculoskeletal hazard due to prolonged sitting, repetitive movement, poor posture, improper workstation setups. Definition: work related musculoskeletal disorder or injury affecting the muscle, tendon, ligament, joint, nerves, and spinal disc caused or aggravated by workplace activities. Common musculoskeletal hazard in office worker. So first one is prolonged sitting. Due to prolonged sitting or improper posture, we have back pain, lower back pain, and continuous stress on the spine, leading to a reduced blood circulation and muscle fatigue, commonly associated with low back pain and neck pain. Second one is poor posture. Slouching posture, forward head posture, and rounded shoulder increase strain on muscle and ligament, causes the neck pain, shoulder pain, and spinal discomfort. We have one of example like you have a student and you are continuously seeing on the blackboard. So sometimes you develops the trapezitis. Trapezitis means pain in your trapezius muscle due to spasm. So this develops due to a poor posture, like forward head posture, you are rounded shoulder, which increases your pain. Third is repetitive movement. Continuous typing, mouse use, and data entry may causes the repetitive strain in your fingers. Due to repetitive strain in your fingers, you have a pain in a wrist, elbow, and finger and MTP joints. Fourth is awkward work position. Sometimes you have a work from home, so you don't use a proper chair or adjustable chair and tables. You just lie down on your bed with improper position and do your work. So this produces strain on your neck, shoulders, and upper limbs. So this is one of awkward work position, musculoskeletal hazard. Fifth is a static posture. Maintain the same posture for a long period of time reduces the muscle activities, causes the muscle stiffness and fatigue. These are mostly common seen when you have a workload and you continuously sit in one position and doing your work. So you feel stiffness in a muscle and feel fatigue and weakness. Six is improper workstation ergonomics. So non-adjustable chairs, poorly positioned screen, and desk height is matter for your workstation ergonomics. Lack of lumbar support contributes to a spinal stress. When you have a, small chair or non-adjustable chair, you have feel strain on your lumbar spine and feel low back pain. So these are important parts for your adjustment for ergonomics workstation. Correction in sitting posture is important for your health. So here it here you see in the image these are the correct position for the office worker. Your shoulder are relaxed, back supported with chair, arm is supported on the table or your chair, thighs are horizontally relaxed, and feet are on the floor. 7 is psychosocial stress. When you have a high workload, job stress, and mental fatigue, may increase the muscle tension and pain. Common musculoskeletal problems seen in office workers like neck pain, back pain, shoulder pain, cervical pain, tendonitis, epicondylitis, upper back pain, wrist and hand pain are commonly seen in office workers. You see this image, neck pain due to a constant cervical strain or sprain in head, elbow pain due to tennis elbow, golfer's elbow, and strain injury. Shoulder pain due to rotator cuff strain, bicep tendonitis, wrist pain due to continuous typing or carpal tunnel syndrome or DQ. Lower pain due to mechanical lower back pain, disc bulge or herniation. Mid back pain due to postural strain. Risk factors. So risk factors of musculoskeletal hazard is long working hours, lack of breaks, sedentary lifestyle, poor ergonomic setup, repetitive computer work, stress and mental workload. These are the risk factor for musculoskeletal hazard in office worker. Prevention and control measures. Postural education, regular break between your work, exercise and physical activity, work plus modification, stress management are prevents your musculoskeletal hazard. These are the reference for this topic. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day.